And it's number 215, natapikan. Ignacio. Beat ACC2. Monte, Pastor Rebamonte. Slaughter shot. Rebamonte with the finish. Pass to the middle. Step back for 3. Bang! At the target. Fight for the rebound. La Peña. Nice inside. Nice pass. And the finish. Welcome to Pangasinan Intertown. It's between Tayug and first ball for Tayug, and here's for Team Lawak. And pass to the corner, number 2. Pass inside, natapikan and stolen. And stops, kicks out, fakes, pull up jumper 3, bang! First block. 19 for Team Tayug. Padilla, Menor, pass inside, look pass inside, floater of the window. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Number 23, Dumiretso, natapikan, recovery to the middle for 3, short. And pass break, nauna, and lace, easy 2. Here's number 2 behind the back dribble. He passed to number 10, launches on 3, bang! 20. And this Ignacio goes to the corner, lace inside, wala, pick up, that's a tip. Padilla crosses the mid lane. Padilla still dribbling the ball. Padilla. And attacks. And pass to the corner. Pull up jumper. Easy to Alonte. Rebamonte to number 4. May nadulas na naman dun. And pass inside. Dupe. Balingit. Won't go. And here's Menor. Ignacio. Ignacio with the ball. He passes number 3. Bang! 3 4. Rebamonte. He pass to number 4, Rebamonte. Pass to Rebamonte. Rebamonte attacks, floater shot. Rebamonte with the pick. Padilla. Pass, Martolino. Padilla speeds. Oh! Yes, won't go. Ang gandang move, sayang. And here you go, Menor. Bounce pass. Padilla to Ignacio sa 3. Bang! Ignacio. Rebamonte bounce pass sa 3. Short. Menor. And here you go, Ignacio. Kicks out, Padilla sa 3. In and out, fight for the rebound. Number 20, Ignacio, gandang pasa sa loob. Martolino with the finish. Pass to the middle. Menor, step back for 3. Bang! At the... And it's number 215, natapikan. Ignacio, binitbit, ACC2. And pass to number 16. To the middle. Meneses block. And stolen, pass break. Alonso lays off the glass. Bucket for 2. Padilla to Romero pass inside. Fires. Bucket. Alonso. And is La Peña. Pass to the corner. Size at 3. Short. Fight for the rebound. Nag-agawan. May foul. Behind the back pass. And spin. And attacking the defense. Bounce pass Alonso. To Alonso. Naagawan. Lumibaw. Long pass. Exacto pull up. Jumper. Bucket. And attacks. Pinasa pa. Alonso. La Peña with the ball. He passes to Meneses for 3. Off the target, fight for the rebound. La Peña, nice inside, nice pass, and the finish. And here's Ignacio. Ignacio with the ball. Stops. Pull up jet 3. Bang! 3 points. Ignacio. Peña with the ball. He's dribbling the ball. He stopped. He passed to Meneses. Inside pass. Lumibaw. Kicks out. Pass inside. Pull up J. Meneses. In and out. Rebound Padilla. Natapikan. And far short. Tips in. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Hook shot. Bucket for 2. And here you go. Number 7. Pass to the middle. Ignacio with the ball. Ignacio. Spins. Ignacio. Bounce pass. Ang gandang pasa. Yun lang. And Tirio pass. And it's number 6. Tabor. Floater off the window. Won't go. And here you go. Picks. Rebamonte. Waiting for his teammates. Rebamonte umatake. Picks. Clutch. Kicks out. Pull up jumper at the mid-range. Bucket at the net. Alonso. He passed to Ignacio. Ignacio with the ball. He dribbled the ball. He stopped far sa 3. Bang! Another.
Number 15.
And the bounce pass. The long pass. Rebamonte. Number 13. Drive side step. Floater of the window. Bucket. Ignacio with the ball. He passed to the corner. Pull up jumper. Won't go. Rebamonte. Rebamonte 1-on-1. Side step sa gitna. Stolen. Ignacio. Ignacio behind the back. Pass to the corner. Floor. Oop. Bounce pass. Cross pass. Rebamonte. Attacks. Rebamonte bounce pass. Rebamonte sa 3. Bang! 3 po. Rebound by Menor. Sumisigsag. Menor goes to the middle. Spins. Menor. Alonso. Pass to Ignacio. Floater shot. Bucket. Ignacio. Rebamonte. Ito number 6. Tabor. Bang! 3 po. And a bounce pass. And setting the play. Here's Padilla. Between the legs. Padilla. Goes inside. He spins fakes. Creates space off the window. He's strong. Pass break. He spins. Ang ganda move. Pero pinasa na naman. And to the middle. And kicks out. Picks. And kicks out. 4-3. Bang! Tabo! For the inbound is 4-3. Won't go. Rebound. Hook shot. Bucket. Ortega. And setting the play. Padilla. Pass to Ignacio. Pass to Menor. Pull up jumper number 25. Too high. Too short. Too strong. And here's Padilla. Between the legs. Attacks, kicks out sa 3. Bang! 3 po. De La Peña. La Peña. He passed to Meneses. Pass to number 16. Tabor, inside pass, hook shot, and 1. And it's number 25. Ignacio with the ball. To the corner, to the wings. Alonso. Alonso to the corner, far sa 3. Off the mark. Here's number 16 for Team Lawak. And 16, inside pass, Sabor. Wala. Putback shot. Pasok yan. And shot clock on the 14. Pass to the middle. Pull up J. Menor. Oop, tinapik pa. Fires off the glass. Bucket. And here you go. Stolen. Alonso. Alonso Lee. So, lumipad. Alonso E. Padilla. And pass to back. Alonso natapikan. Stolen. Tabor. Tabor bounce pass. Sa 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Pass to the middle. Picks. Kicks out. Wild stop. Tabor open for 3. Bang! And it's Padilla, bounce pass, corner pass, pass back number 25. Padilla to Ignacio. Picks. Ignacio. Dumistancia. Pass to. Bounce pass. Falling away. Bucket. Alonso. Ignacio setting the play. And fires at 3. No good. Rebound. No look pass inside. Oh! That's the free. And number 18. A pass. Inside pass. One bounce. And fires. Easy 2. And here's number 25. Ignacio. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Is stolen and a pass break. And all alone. Sa wakas, nabutas. And number 19. Padilla. He passed to number 27. And attacks. He passed to the middle. And stops for 3 of the target. Rebound Tabor. Number 13. And pass inside. Hook shot of the glass. Bucket. Rebamonte behind the back dribble. Rebamonte attacking the defense. The floater of the window. Rebamonte. Stolen. Baseball pass. Nauna na si Ignacio. Lace. Easy 2. Ignacio. And here's number 28. Nagtas Padilla to Menor. Menor. 30 seconds on the game clock. Ignacio, he pass. Alonso pull-up jumper off the mark. Fight for the rebound. Napupunta ngayon sa lawak. And here's Rebamonte. He kicks out. Step back. Tabor for 3. Short. And here you rebound. And pass. Hallyu pass. The lob pass and the finish. Game clock at 6. Rebamonte crossover. Stop. Launches on 3. And here's Padilla. Padilla goes to the rim. Lace. Too strong. Fight for the rebound. Goes to lawak. And here's Rebamonte. Pinasa kay Rebamonte. The connect. Alonso. Alonso spins. Bounce pass. Fires at 3. Menor. Pass break. 2-on-1 ang laban. Rebamonte off the glass. Down to 8. And here's Ignacio. Ignacio. Lace. Easy 2. Ignacio. And bounce pass. Padilla hook pass. Alonso pull-up jumper. Bucket. Ignacio. Oops. Menor. Bounce pass. Naagawan. And the long pass. Rebamonte. Fix. Oop. Creates space. Floater. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Posting up. Kicks out. Open for 3. Rebamonte. Lace. And 1. Rebamonte. Down to 6-point lead. And halo pass. Easy 2. Back to 8. And a baseball pass. Pinabitin. Fires off the window. Bucket. And bounce pass. And here's number 7. Pass to number 16. Ortega. Pass to Ignacio. Ignacio. Ignacio uses the screen. Inside pass. Ang gandang pass. Pinabitin. Put back of the glass. Pass inside. Yes of the glass. Back to 6. And here's number 12. 2-on-1. Bounce pass. Further. Easy 2. Meneses, the long pass. Rebamonte spins. Here's wide open for 3. Bang! Rebamonte. Open for 3. He launch. Bang! Inbound. Ignacio. Spins. Attacks. Floater. Bucket. Back to 4. La Peña. Rebamonte won't go. Rebound. Pull up J of the glass. Meneses. And here's Padilla. Padilla kicks out. Open for 3. He launch. Bang! And bounce pass Rebamonte. Rebamonte open for 3. No good. Romero. Natapikan. Last on the free throw line. Won't go. Ignacio. Bounce pass. And there's Alonso to the middle. Alley-oop pass. Short. Rebound put back of the glass. Rebamonte side step fires. Wala. Rebound put back. Easy 2. Dumadance-dance sa gitna. Picks. Alonso fires off the window. Bucket for 2. La Peña. Meneses for 3. Bang! 3 ball. Yun. Congratulations, Team Tayog. End of the game.